Hey, it's Hassan. We are back at it, scaling the Project Management Training Academy right in front of you guys, digital nomading from the highest point in the Philippines. A nice clear day out here today after a foggy morning. The mountains are easily visible. I'm going to narrate exactly what I'm doing so you can join me for the journey. The current one task, the lever with the biggest effect, is setting up an automated lead acquisition system. The target is 4,000 emails per day outbound, the upper limit of the paid account, and this is to be done via 25 emails. 16-day email sequence with 8 emails has been loaded. Also, a subsequence was loaded yesterday, which is a collection of emails that fires when somebody replies with a trigger word. Challenges. Instantly.ai's user interface changes depending on the state of certain elements. For example, if your campaign is in draft mode or if you don't have any leads loaded, then you won't have access to the subsequence menu, which makes it challenging to find what you're looking for. The campaign is now loaded. The task for today is to fire off the first batch of 30 test emails. With that being said, let's get after it.